Welcome to Steve Says Something, and today we're going to be saying something about a new motorcycle helmet from By City, the Roadster III Black. Here we go, plain simple packaging, comes in a bag with a drawstring and seems to have a little manual with it. Inside the drawstring bag we have some more protection. That's your ASMR for the day. And there we have it. The By City Roadster III in shiny black. It's available in various other colours. I like it. It's got two chin vents and it's also got brow vents, which I believe is an upgrade on the Roadster II. And I believe that the closing system here on the side for the visor is also an upgrade from the version 2, which used magnets. And this helmet is to replace a very similar one I have in matte black, which also uses a magnet system on each side to keep the visor closed, which makes opening a little bit difficult. This seems to be a lift over a tab and then up. So let's have a look at the inside. A nice mix of, I'm guessing, fake leather and suede, with the contrast from with brown and the black I think is very nice. It will work nice with my bike, which is red and black with some brown saddlebags which I put on from long ride. Also in the box we have By City's version of pin lock. They call it By City anti-fog technology. Seems to be a pin lock clone. So let's get back to the helmet. The visor has three indentations for it's not just a full up or full down. 1, 2, 3, and it's closed. There's no sun visor with it, but I wear sunglasses all the time anyway, and maybe it's possible to get a tinted visor for it, and I will have to check. The locking system is the usual double D ring, which I don't like, but I can live with it. I much prefer the ratchet system, and on at least one other helmet I have changed this double D system to a ratchet system. I'll have to see if it's possible without sacrificing the integrity of the safety of the chin strap. It looks like the cheek pads are removable, and there's space in the corners here for speakers, which will be my first job, to install a speaker system. It has a tab on the back for if you want to wear it with goggles. I'm not sure why you would want to take the visor off and use it with goggles, but if nothing else, it looks nice. So that's the unboxing. We'll do some trying on and testing shortly. This helmet has no graphics on it whatsoever, but By City have added a logo to it in the form of a small metal badge indicated here. I assume this badge to be glued in place and tried getting my fingernail under it, and the badge moved about but wouldn't come up. Looking inside the helmet, removing the cheek piece and then the secondary piece of polystyrene which is behind the cheek piece, I saw these two miniature screws. Removing these two screws freed the logo badge and left these two small holes, which you can see here from the inside of the helmet and you can see here from the outside. But these two holes are not a problem because they're totally covered up by the comms system. Due to the easily removable cheek pieces, which contain a suede flap which is perforated for sound, and the recesses in the polystyrene behind the cheek pieces, fitting the speakers was very easy, routing the wiring was easy, and I think the whole process took no longer than 15 minutes. After riding with the helmet, what are my thoughts? I have a small head, 56 centimeters, so I normally buy a size small in helmets, and I did so with this one. The label on the back says small 55 to 56 centimeters. It is quite a snug fit. I could probably have gone for a medium and it'd been okay. So just bear in mind that it might be a bit on the snug side, so you might want to order one size bigger. It comes quite low on my brow, which I'll get used to, it's not a problem. Wind noise wise, it's probably one of the quietest helmets I've got. I've got Shoeies, I've got the one that this replaced. Wind noise I'm quite happy with. It allows a certain amount of cold air to breeze through and you can feel it going past your ears, which is quite nice because it's now around about 28-29 degrees these days here. It's DOT certified, it's ECER 2206, so it passes all the safety standards. Various colour schemes, I've gone for absolute minimal. I would certainly recommend it. If I decide I want a different colour, I will probably go for a medium next time rather than a small. But great helmet. Check them out. By City Roadster III. Gets a thumbs up from me. If you want to hear more reviews regarding motorcycling equipment or photographic stuff, like, subscribe, you know what to do. See you next time when Steve says something. Goodbye.